What's going on, YouTube? It's a new day. It's a brand new day. This is the day the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. Today's range day. We're going to go to the range with a couple of friends. We're going to sight in our scopes. We're going to try and hit the 500-yard steel plate today. Hopefully we can do that. The wind is calm. It's a little cool, but it makes for a great day of shooting. But I just want to give you guys a little word of encouragement first thing this morning, and that's the Lord says that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, that everything He has created He saw that it was good. And you can see that in Genesis, where He created the earth and everything, and He said that it was good. And you are one of His creations, and He said you're good, you're not bad, you know, you're not short, you're not flawed. You know, you may seem, and the world may tell you that you have all these flaws, but God, the creator of all things, said that you're good. And that's something you can believe. Don't believe that lie of the enemy that says you're not good enough for anything, because God made you perfect. You know, He called you to this earth. He created you and put you here, and He loves you. So anyway, let's get the day started right. Going to the range. The time has come. We're here at the range. Gonna send some lead down range. The arsenal is lit. Got just your standard little spotting scope here. You got the Mossberg MVP Flex, a Mosin. That's all that needs to be said about that gun. An AR-15 and another AR-15. It's the Armalite Eagle 15. This is the, I don't know what it is, I gotta look. The DPMS Panther Arms 5.56 with an EOTech. We got our targets 25, 50, and 100. We'll do some spotting today. Some zeroing in, some carnage. It's range day. Both ARs zeroed. So you got mine, first 3, second 3, the last 6, 7, all right there.
Got a lot better trigger in it, tell you that much. Alright, I'm just gonna try to aim. Comrade. It's got a nice trigger in it. A lot better than mine. I don't know, something. It just feels a lot tighter. Mine feels kind of loose and creepy, you know?
Saw that one. Way high. Way up.
2.5 inches high. Try saying splash.
Okay.
good on that one. Felt a little left on that one.
That is actually about 3/4 down, 1/4 left. That's a tighter shot grip than mine was.
I'm empty.
It's really good, actually. So we zeroed at 100 yards, 308. The Mossberg MVP. Sorry for the wind, guys. You know, I still don't have a mic that's going to compensate for that wind, so just using the GoPro audio. I do have the wind only modification on just to try and see if it worked. But here's our target at 100 yards. This is my shot group at 100. It's about, I mean, an inch in all directions. And then here's Jay Weezy's. That's tighter than mine. That's maybe 3/4 inch. That's half an inch. That's probably 3/4. That's probably an inch. So, I mean, very accurate rifle. That's 100 yards with probably a good 10-mile-an-hour wind.
At least.
That's, you can see the 5.56, the 223.
You can figure these are 1-inch squares, so
Yeah,
yeah, looking about an inch of mine. Pretty close.
very accurate. So now we're gonna go to the big boy range. We're gonna try and hit steel with the wind. Got plenty of ammo, so why not? I hope y'all can hear me. Stupid wind, so, but we'll see you over there. All right, moving over to the 500-yard range. See if we can ding something in this wind. Here we go. Okay, we moved on to the rifle deck of the 500-yard range. I'm just gonna kind of try and show you how far we're talking. See way down there, the red steel behind the flag and everything, that's 500. And then it walks up to 4, 3, 2, and 1. 100's out of commission. So we're gonna try and walk the line all the way down. See if we can't get something going. Wish us luck. So it is in fact a meter range, 500 meters. And then the yards. So we're gonna go from 218 or so all the way. Bam! 200's good. Going yard. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. 500-meter range was a total success. We walked it out. I don't know if you could hear, the wind was bad. But we walked it out from 200 all the way to 5. Smacked the targets. Took 3 boxes of ammo, but we did it. That's all that matters. Now we're going to go eat, and then we're going to go buy SK because my mount and my scope mount is coming loose. Just the sheer blunt force of that Mossberg. No, I just went and tightened down. But we're going to go do that, get that done. The GoPro died, so I'm using the phone. But all around successful day. Got everything sighted in. We hit steel. Now we're going to go celebrate with some Mexican food. We'll see y'all. So it's late. I'm on my way to school. Sorry there's such a big gap in the day. Not y'all won't notice it, but if you can't tell, it's getting dark outside. Sorry there's such a big gap in the day. I did go to SK and get my scope and rail tightened back up. We got that done. Took my buddy home, and then I went home, and I had some school stuff to do. So I tried to take a little nap because I worked tonight. Did my school work. Got ready. Now I'm on my way to school. Nobody wants to see school. It's boring. So you won't see me again until I'm leaving school and it'll be dark. And I may wait till I get home because you're not going to be able to see me. But nobody wants to see schoolwork. No one, let alone, likes to do it. Why would anyone want to see it? So I will see y'all after my class. Done with class. Heading home. It was pretty fun today, actually. We talked about, it's my court systems class, but we talked about arrests, warrantless, warrant arrest, things like that. Appearing before court, things like that. So it was a good class. But anyway, it's over. I'm heading home now. As you can see, it's completely dark outside. I got my dome light on. Heading home. I'm gonna hang out with the wife a little bit. She didn't get home until I left for class, actually. Kids should already be in bed. I'm gonna hang out with the wife a little bit. Get my stuff ready to go to work. Put my uniform on, and I'm going to work. So I appreciate you watching today. I hope you enjoyed the range time. And like I said, I will go over how to sight in a scope, how to sight in the scopes I have, at least, stuff like that. I don't have the equipment yet to actually make an effective range video where you can see point of impact, where you can see where you can see trigger squeeze and how I adjust the scope, things like that. So I will go over that in like the home setting, so you can see. And now that I've shot both rifles a lot, I gotta clean both of them, so I can show you that. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of you who have subscribed so far. Sorry, I'm on a really bumpy road. I really appreciate everybody who's subscribed so far. It means a lot. I enjoy doing this. It's a lot of fun, and plus I get to share with you all who I am, and the things in my life, what God's blessed me with, just everything. I enjoy doing it, and I hope you enjoy watching. And just remember, like I said at the beginning of the video, God said you are fearfully and wonderfully made. And He said in the very beginning that when He created everything, especially when He created us, He said that we were good. He said that His creation was good. So no matter what the world tells you that you have to look like, that you have to have six-pack abs, that you have to be in this profession to be successful, or you have to do this and do that, don't believe it. Do what you want to do. Do what is in your heart to do, what drives you, what motivates you. Do that. Live for you. Live for your family. But most of all, live for God. you know, He will give you that favor to pursue whatever it is that you want to pursue. And always remember, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night. God bless, and I'll see you next time.